Hello, I will show you how to insert spotlights to your store in this video. To start, simply click on the spotlight icon on the top left-hand corner. Move the cursor on the spotlight rail and click to add the spotlight. In general, the distance between the spotlights should be 120 centimeters to 130 centimeters. Since the grids are 100 centimeters, you may add the spotlights with the help of the grid references. Once the spotlights are added, press Escape to exit the command. To adjust the settings of the spotlights in 3D view, firstly, you need to select the lights in the plan view. To do so, simply click on the items. Click on the 3D icon to view the spotlights in 3D mode. You now may adjust the settings on the panel on the right-hand side. Since the items were multiple selected, you may see the features of the spotlight rail as well. You may change the material and length of the spotlight rail here as well. The first setting on the list for the spotlight is the material. You may view and change the material of the light here. Spotlight rotation allows you to rotate and change the direction of the light. Spotlight angle allows you to adjust the angle of the reflector. Spotlight intensity allows you to adjust the intensity. You may also adjust the distance, decay, and shadow of the spotlights. To better view the effect of the lights, you may use the following controls. You turn on and off the light by clicking on the box at the bottom of the settings panel. Press and hold the wheel and rotate to see the shop from different angles. Right-click and pan. See you in the next tutorial video.